Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro is one of the best 3D printers under $500 you can choose. Tailored to meet the needs of beginners and create a fun, STEM educational experience, this printer is easy to use and install. It serves as an upgrade to the already popular line of Ender printers. The Ender 3 is more reliable, comes with a name brand power supply, and features a huge surface area that allows you to bring your creativity to life. It's designed with a removable magnetic surface plate that ensures all-round protection while providing the entire build surface with a consistent temperature. And since the surface plate can be removed, users will be able to enjoy better print removal. Additionally, the Ender 3 Pro features a new Y-axis design as well as a resume print function that can be quite beneficial when you have power outages. While this 3D printer isn't fully assembled as it's a semi-assembled machine, installing and assembling the parts isn't a difficult task. If you're looking for a budget 3D printer under the $500 price tag, the Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro is one of the topmost products you can choose. Large build volume. Print removal is fast and easy. High quality build and easy to assemble. Upgradable and hackable. At number 2, Flashforge Finder 3D Printer. The Flashforge Finder is another inexpensive 3D printer you're going to love. While it doesn't come with the Ender 3's large design area, it sure comes with amazing features that make it worthy of being our second best 3D printer under $500. Beginner friendly and easy to use, this printer has remained popular thanks to its quality, flexibility, and usability. Unlike the Creality Ender 3 Pro, this little guy comes fully assembled right out of the box. It's a silent printer that runs quietly and only becomes chatty when it's turned on or there's an issue with it. You get awesome prints as well as Wi-Fi, flash drive, and USB connectivity. What the Flashforge Finder seems to lack is capacity. Its print bed is small, and although this 3D printer can ease you into the 3D design world, you'll definitely need to upgrade to a larger machine when you start making huge prints. Additionally, even though it comes with an intuitive full-color LCD touchscreen that makes operation easy, it lacks some important features, such as automatic bed leveling and filament detection, which are important features for beginners. However, that doesn't take away from the fact that it's a great 3D printer for beginners. If you're a beginner who's looking for a safe, compact, and reliable 3D machine under $500, the Flashforge Finder is one of the best machines you can choose. At number 3, Elegoo Mars UV Photocuring LCD 3D Printer. Are you looking for the perfect resin-based 3D printing machine under $500? Look no further than the Elegoo Mars UV Photocuring LCD 3D Printer. This machine offers a simple and interesting 3D printing experience that isn't present in many machines in the same price range. It guarantees high-quality prints even with the smallest effort. This 3D printer uses masked stereolithography to provide a quiet and peaceful printing experience. You don't have to deal with the filament wrangling, nozzle crackling, and messy hot ends that come with desktop fused deposition modeling. The Chitubox slicing software, it comes with slices 30 megabits STL model file in 1 minute and allows you to hollow out your model before slicing. The Elegoo is well built and well designed. While this 3D printer is heavy, you sure get a well-balanced build that slides around easily whenever you need it to. The Z-axis assembly comes with enough clearance that makes it easy to sling the lid on and off without affecting the printer in any way. And since the entire lid can be lifted off, you get unrestricted access to the resin tank, plus you'll be able to remove your prints cleanly than you do in other printers. Endowed with a build size of 120 by 68 by 155 millimeters, this may not be the largest printer on our list, but it's one of the topmost, user-friendly 3D printers under the $300 price tag. Enthusiasts and hobbyists are surely going to have fun using this 3D printer. At number 4, Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D printer. When it comes to budget DLP printers, there are many different options to choose from. However, many of them don't come close to the Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D printer in features and appeal. Sitting at the $300 price range, this budget 3D printer is reliable, low cost, and ideal for those looking for DLP, SLA desktop 3D printing. It's no longer news that resin printers offer the most reliable print quality. However, this 3D printer makes it evident that even budget printers can create noteworthy prints. Also, while there's a learning curve for beginners and those who haven't used an SLA/DLP printer, the clear documentation, online resources, and helpful community associated with this machine helps you overcome this issue easily. The Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D printer comes with its own downsides too. The build volume is small, though it comes with enough space to create most projects. Also, you'll have to worry about the common problems associated with resin 3D printers, including material handling, post-processing, sticky resin, etc. Affordable and capable of producing high-resolution prints, this 3D printer is still one of the most ideal printers for beginners who are looking to delve into resin 3D printing. At number 5, Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2. The Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2 is another incredibly low-cost printer you're bound to love. With a price tag just a little above $200, this 3D printer comes with a feature set that makes it worthy of being on this list of top 3D printers under $500. It is a hackable piece of gear, which means that you can pop it open and make your own upgrades. The Select Mini produces well-made prints that are comparable to what you get on expensive printers. It comes with a 120 by 120 by 120 mm build volume, a 55 mm per second printing speed, and a heated build plate. This 3D printer is also compatible with many slicing software such as Cura, Simplify 3D, and Replicator G. Its standard 1.75mm spool uses both ABS and PLA filament, and models can be loaded via a USB port or a microSD port. The Monoprice Select Mini, however, comes with its own downsides. It tends to run at unstable temperatures when the hot end is in use. The calibration process isn't straightforward and the power brick isn't high quality. Additionally, the machine tends to fail when it's run at incredibly high speeds, plus the Wi-Fi option is deactivated for no reason. However, given the fact that it features a low price tag and it churns out reliable and consistent prints once it's up and running, this machine one that you'll love more than you hate. At number 6, Anycubic Mega OS New 3D Printer. The Anycubic Mega OS New 3D Printer is a cheap 3D printer that offers an incredible print quality at a low price point. Serving as an upgrade to the i3 Mega, this machine comes with many enhancements that make it a worthy contender on this list of best 3D printers under $500. It comes with the same design and sturdy all-metal frame the i3 is known for. Both the design and frame are an important part of why it produces great print quality. Unlike the i3 though, the Mega OS has its name inscribed on its forehead. The huge base is home to a full-color touchscreen and a robotic mascot that looks like Iron Man. Featuring a build volume of 210 by 210 by 205 mm, this cheap 3D printer starts the first layer of each print on the popular Anycubic Ultra Base heated bed, ensuring that the print remains on the bed and comes off easily when the job is done. The Anycubic Mega OS New 3D Printer is semi-assembled, which makes it a great option for creators and beginners who aren't looking to build their machine from scratch. This machine comes with some new upgrades that aren't featured on the i3, such as filament runout detection and power recovery loss. It also features a spool holder that's suspended on the side of the machine, as well as a new filament sensor placement that helps enhance usability. At number 7, Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. Monoprice is one of the largest forces in the budget 3D printing industry. They provide some of the market's top printers, including the Monoprice Select Mini up in our review. The brand tends to focus on two main factors when making their products: usability and affordability. These two factors apply to both the Voxel and the Select Mini printers, which is why they are some of our top picks for the best 3D printer under $500. Endowed with Wi-Fi connectivity, the Monoprice Voxel features an intuitive LCD screen and a simple installation process that allows you to be up and running in minutes. Although this machine shares many similarities with the Flashforge Adventurer 3, it manages to stand out, differentiating itself from other cheap printers on the market. The Monoprice Voxel comes with a 150 by 150 mm build volume, which is ideal for creating moderately sized prints. The build plate is flexible as it allows you to remove your prints without using any sharp tools. The Voxel also comes with a built-in camera that allows you to remotely monitor your printing process via a cloud app known as the Polar Cloud. Configuration and usage are easy thanks to the touch screen and the FlashPrint MP software.